Hi beauties, welcome back to another tutorial Tuesday. Today we are in New York City and we are gonna get unready from the day. First things first, I need to wash my hands after being on the subway and all over the city. I do not want to put my hands all over my face and apply my skincare with dirty hands. You guys, I am having the best time ever in New York City. Like, I honestly wish we could extend the trip. Keep my hair out of my face. So I have all my skincare that I packed and brought with me on this trip. The only thing that I wasn't able to pack and bring with me was my typical like makeup cloths, just because I didn't want to pack and then use them and then them be wet and have to like fly with wet towels in my suitcase. So I'm just using paper towels right now because I use a makeup removing balm. That's just what we gotta do. So I'm gonna start by using this Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. I had like the little mini travel size, so it was perfect to fit in my bag. And honestly, my skin has been loving it. I've been loving it. It's amazing. I love using a makeup removing balm too because I feel like it's just the most gentle way to remove makeup from my skin. I haven't used makeup wipes in years because of it, and I've tried so many different versions of makeup balms that I like. I really like the Vanilla & Co. I also use the milk removing balm, and then this is my first time trying the Versed one, and so far so good on all three of them. You guys, I literally have a New York pizza with my name written all over it waiting for me on the other side of the store. One of my favorite things about being in New York is honestly just like the energy of being here. Like, I feel so motivated to get everything done that I want to get done, and just like so motivated for like my goals in general. It's very like intoxicating being here because I feel like everyone else's like energy and motivation just kind of like rubs off on each other. It's like so true that like the environment that you surround yourself in really like determines, you know, the outcome. We've just had such a positive experience here. Like, I can't wait to come back. Normally I double cleanse, but my double cleanser was too big to bring in my carry-on. So I normally use the Kiehl's cleansing oil, but any other cleansing oil face wash will do, just to like double cleanse and really get all your makeup off. I do have self-tan on right now, so typically if I want a self-tan refresh, because my face self-tan always comes off quicker than my body self-tan, if I want to do a refresh, I use the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Antioxidant Face Tanning Micro Mist, but I did it last night, so I'm gonna apply my normal skincare routine. I'm starting off with a toner. For this trip, I'm using the hydrating toner from PCA Skin. This is my first time ever using it, and I've actually been loving it, and I love that using a toner that's like a face mist. If I can make all my products a face mist and just spray it on, like I would. It makes it so easy to go. The next product I'm going to go into is the Clarins Double Serum. I've gone through maybe like 5 of these bottles. I genuinely love this product so much. Hydric plus lipidic system, and it's complete age control concentrate, and my skin just loves it. The next product I'm going to go in with is the L'Occitane Reset Serum, Immortal Reset Serum, and this is like a nighttime serum. I've recently added this to my skincare routine, and so far I have been loving it. It's a really nice serum, makes my skin glow, and it smells really nice too. My next step is a relatively new skincare product for me. This is the Kiehl's Super Multi Corrective Eye Zone Treatment. I have really red around my eyes, and I've always been trying to find eye products that kind of make that redness go away. One product that I know for a fact that works so well is the Ordinary Caffeine Solution. I think it's only like $12 too, and it lasts a really long time. So that one's a good one if you have like darker under eyes. But because I do review products as my job, I do like to find a product that I know works and then move on and try other things. This one so far I've really liked. It's more of a thicker consistency, and the nice thing about it is that you can put it on here and then also on top of your eyelids, so it kind of works in more than just one place. I have super dry skin, so anything that's a thicker consistency, my skin will drink like water. It just loves it. And I have a better chance of my skin like looking hydrated and healthy for longer if it's thicker products. The next product I'm going to go in with, and I really only use this at night because my moisturizer that I use during the daytime is a multi like sunscreen, primer, and moisturizer, and it does really, really well. So I actually do just use it as my moisturizer, but this I use at night. This is the rice cream from I'm From. I've used 3 of their products. I've used the toner, which is the toner I use at home, but it comes in a bigger bottle, so I couldn't bring it. I've used completely the serum, and I loved that. And then this is the moisturizer, and I'm honestly almost done with it too, but I really, really like this one. My skin loves it too. I feel like it's a very simple product, but does what it says it's gonna do. So yeah, honestly, I've had a really good experience with all 3 of the products that I've tried from I'm From. Also, if you see me like swaying a little bit, it's because I'm standing on my tippy toes to like fit the frame of this video. Because if I don't, I'm like all the way down here and it's just like bad framing. If you see me swaying, I'm just on my tippy toes. Oh my god, this feels so good. And I always bring it down onto my neck too. That way my neck and face will hopefully look the same as I get older. And I won't have like different forms of skin because of how I've used my skincare. The next thing that I use is my Babe Lash from Babe Original. This is my lash serum, and it honestly works so good. This has saved my lashes, made my lashes look so long and grown so long. They look so good with mascara now. And I have a code with them, so if you ever want to use Babe Lash or restock on your Babe Lash, you can save a little bit of money. My code is Alyssa at Babe Original. I'll put the code here, and then down below I'll also link it. Also in the description of my videos, I have all the links to all of the codes that I have with brands, so it's easy for you guys to find. So if you guys ever want to, you know, find if there's a discount code for anything that you regularly shop for, all of them or most of them are linked in the description below. The final step in my nightly skincare routine is to put on a chapstick. Normally I use my Dutch tin chapstick called Purell. It's my literal holy grail product. I've used it my whole life. I can't live without it. But I didn't want to bring it on this trip, and I've been trying to try new products as well since it is from another country and it's harder for me to get. I received the Image Skincare Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. This is so fire, and it almost snuck away from me because sometimes in like PR boxes the confetti is in there and you can't find all the products. And I've never had it where I almost threw one away, but when I was breaking down all the boxes to recycle them, I found the container and it had a product in it, and I was like, oh my god, I almost threw this away. It was literally such a good chapstick. I'm like so happy that I found it before accidentally throwing it away. But it's so good. It's just a hydrating clear balm, and my lips love it. And then I also brought this as makeup prep. I'm not going to do it right now, but I do have like darker under eyes, and you can kind of see them right now. So if I ever am doing my makeup or I'm going to go do something and I want a flawless snatched face, I'm going to use the Image MD Restoring Eye Masks. I've used these before and they're so good, but I brought them on this trip in case I wanted to use them. I'm not going to use them tonight because I'm about to go eat this pizza. And then also, if I get any pimples that I want to cover up, I brought my pimple patches, and these are the e.l.f. Off Zits, and they have this new like zit removal, break up with your zits e.l.f. thing. They sent me the package of the pimple patches and the serum. I haven't tried the serum yet, but I have tried the pimple patches, and these are honestly so good. Like, they're better than Mighty Patch in my opinion, because I was using Mighty Patch and then I was like, you know what, I'm going to try some of these, and this actually pulled them out. So in my opinion, these are better. And that is all I have for you guys today in the terms of skincare. I am so happy that my makeup is off my face and I can just enjoy the rest of the night and chill and let my face breathe. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on Thursday for the weekly vlog. I love you beauties, and I'll see you in the next one.